Hello friends, I'm going to discuss illustration number 40 of CMA Inter Financial Management Group Second Capital S Structure. Okay, please read the questions here. Look at here in this question. Illustration number 40. Jet company has capital structure 30% debt, 70% equity. What this means? Weight of debt is 30%, that equal to 0.30, and weight of equity is 70%, that is a 0.70. The company is considering the various investment proposal costing less than 30 lakhs. The company does not want to disturb its present capital structure. The cost raising the debt and equity as follows. This is the cost of debt, cost of equity in several capital structure above 5 lakh, up to 20 lakh, up to 5 lakh it should be up to 5 lakh, up to 5 lakh. This is above 5 lakh, up to 20 lakh, above 20 lakh, 30 lakh. These all slabs are given. Assuming tax rate is of 40%, tax rate is 40%. Compute the overall project's cost A and B, whose funds is requirement is rupees 8 lakh and rupees 22 lakh respectively. If the project are expected to yield 11% return, determine under the what condition it would be accepted. Determine under what condition it should be accepted. Okay. First, in the this is cost of debt is always calculated after tax. Now tax rate is given here, and this is the cost of debt. We assume that this cost of debt is before tax. Before tax. If it is a before tax, then how the cost of debt is calculated in this case? Cost of debt is calculated after tax, that is the interest rate 1 minus tax rate. In the above 5 lakh, in this case 9%, 1 minus 0.5, this is the 4.5%. Similarly, in the second slab, this is a 10%, 1 minus 0.5, this is a 5%. We have already discussed in a very in detail, in good manner, in a class, in concept class. Now, it is a 11%, 1 minus 0.5, this is your 5.5%. This is a 12%, 1 minus 0.5, this is your 6%. This is your cost of capital. Now we have to calculate weighted average cost of capital in each slab. Calculation of weighted average cost of capital in each slab. What is the formula of weighted average? Cost of debt, weight of debt, cost of equity, weight of equity. This is the formula. Now, suppose up to 5 lakh. How will you calculate cost of debt? Cost of debt is 4.5 after tax. Then 4.5% into 0.30 weights is here. And this is the plus weight cost of equity 13% into 0.70. Similarly, above 5 lakh up to 20 lakh. Its cost of debt is 5% because we have calculated 5%. Cost of equity is 14%. The weight of this is 0.30 plus 14% into 0.70. Now, above 20 lakh up to 40 lakh, its cost is 5.5%. Here 5.5% into 0.30 plus 15% into 0.70. above 40 lakh up to 1 crore cost of debt is 6%, cost of equity is 15.5%. 6% into 0.30 plus 15.55% into 0.70. We have calculated cost of weighted average cost of capital in each slab. And in this case, what will be the weighted average cost of capital? Here we can write 4.5 into 0.3 plus 13 into 0.7. 10.45 is the 10.45 is a here. In this case, 5 into 0.3 plus 14 into 0.7 11.3 is this. Now 5.5 into 0.3 plus 15 into 0.7 plus this 13.30. This is a 13.30%. Now here 6 into 0.3, 15.55 into 0.7, 15.55 into 0.7 plus 1.8, 12.685%. Now look at it. Now the question is asking, what is the weighted average cost of capital of 8 lakh? So weighted average cost of capital for 8 lakh, weighted average cost of capital for 8 lakh, weighted average cost of capital for 22 lakh we have to calculate here. Look at it. 8 lakh lies in this slab from 5 lakh to 22 lakh. Its cost of capital is 11.30%. 11.30%. 11.30%. And this weighted average cost of capital from 22 lakh. 22 lakh lies in the third slab from above 20 lakh to 40 lakh. Its weighted average cost of capital 13.30%. So this is the 13.30% weighted average cost of capital. Now the question is asking, project has a return. This is higher than one project has a return, that is 11%. This is higher than project return, that is 11%. Whether you should accept a project which has a return 11%, which has a return 11%, we never accept a project which has a weighted average cost of capital higher than return. No, because weighted average cost of capital is higher than return, that's why we never accept this type of project. Here also we never accept this type of project. We should have return, we must have return higher than weighted average cost of capital. We must have return higher than weighted average cost of capital. We must have return higher than weighted average cost of capital. We should have return higher than weighted average cost of capital. And return is higher only if investment is up to 5 lakh. If investment is up to 5 lakh, weighted average cost of capital is 10.45%. Look at it, 10.45%. In this case, the weighted average cost was 10.45%, which is lower than return 11%. we can invest up to 5 lakh only, up to 5 lakh only in this project. Okay, we cannot invest 8 lakh, we cannot invest 22 lakh. Why we cannot invest? Because of it has weighted average cost of capital higher than return from the projects. Okay, thank you class.